What's going on, guys? My name is Zach Sadui, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to find the most hot and viral products at the moment in order to get more sales on your Shopify page. So basically, we're going to take a look first at this website called BuzzSumo. Now, what this website does is it helps you find the most viral products or topics in social media at the moment. So what you would do is you would type in a topic in the search bar, and you would search that topic, and then it would give you a list of posts on any type of social media platform that is going viral or has a lot of engagement. For example, if you were running a Shopify page with the fishing gear niche, you would just look up fishing gear, and it would present you a bunch of posts that go viral, and it gives you the exact number of engagements and shares or whatever. So then you could just scroll through it and find which one best suits you. Usually it would probably be the Pinterest one because it's more suitable for products. So that's how it works, and then you could implement that product to your Shopify account. So we're going to assume that your niche is phone cases, and we're going to look up phone cases. And here you can see that it gives you a ton of posts on, or a ton of a ton of topics that include phone cases, and it gives you the impressions for each social media. And you can see here, this one really blew up on Facebook. It's got 475,000 engagements. So this would be a good option if it's got a product in it. However, when you're doing this, you probably want to take a look at the Pinterest posts, or the ones that go viral on Pinterest, because it's more suitable to products, and you would probably have an easier time finding a good product to implement in your store. So we're going to look around and try to... So here we got a product that got 13,000 shares on Pinterest. So this would be a good option. So now we're going to click on the link and take a look at the product. And as you can see, it sends us to the actual website that sells the product. And here you can see what the phone case looks like and the price and everything. So I could probably guarantee you that you could find it for much cheaper on AliExpress. So now we're going to go try to find this exact phone case on AliExpress and see if we can link it to our Shopify page and start selling it ourselves. So now we're going to go to AliExpress, and we're going to try to find this phone case. I'm just going to guess what it might be called. And here we have it. It's going for $293, but I'm sure you can find it for much cheaper if you just look here, $255. If you just look around, you'll find it for much cheaper. You'll find vendors that sell it for less. So now you could just find which one you want and link it to your Shopify account and start selling it. You could start selling to your demographic or whoever your audience is, and these products will be most likely to sell because they're going viral and people like them and whatnot. Alright, so that's how you can use BuzzSumo in order to find hot niched products.